Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here at the online cartoon fair this year. As we know, we've been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only to our business but also to our lives. So first, please allow me to thank you for all your patience, understanding and support during the difficult times. But I do believe we will cross over, and we will also do our best to deliver experience and professional business training to all of our customers. Okay, let's start today's show. Today I'm going to introduce some new items for tabletop, including the food tray. Here, first I'd like to introduce you some water hyacinth tray. Okay, I got 4 different styles here for you. Let's go through it one by one. Okay, first let's look at this. It's a set of 2. Okay, it's made of 100% natural water hyacinth. And with handles that is easy carrying. Okay. We provide 2 different sizes. You can choose to buy a set or individual. It's a good choice for hotel, restaurant, and family gathering. Okay, let's check the size. For the large one, the diameter is 35 and the height is about 10. This small one. Okay, the diameter is 30 and the height is about 8. Okay. You can put your food, okay, tissues, okay, okay, here's a set of